What if I told you the most powerful way to make someone remember you isn't your looks, your voice, or even the words you say? It's your scent. That's right. A single whiff of your fragrance can make you unforgettable. Today, we're revealing the hidden psychology of scent and how you can use it to leave a lasting impression on anyone you meet. Think about it. You've probably smelled something before and instantly thought of a person. Maybe the cologne of a past love, the scent of a parent's cooking, or that unique perfume a friend always wore. The memory comes rushing back, clear, emotional, and powerful. That's no coincidence. That's neuroscience. Here's the science. Your sense of smell is the only sense that bypasses the brain's logical filters and goes straight to the limbic system, the emotional memory center. This is why smells trigger memories and feelings faster than sights or sounds. It's called the Proust effect, named after the French writer Marcel Proust, who described how the smell of a Madeleine cake brought back vivid childhood memories. Scientists have proven that scent-evoked memories are more emotional, more detailed, and longer lasting than memories triggered by other senses. And here's the kicker. You can control this effect. You can choose a scent and pair it with experiences so people can't help but think of you when they smell it again. One of the most effective ways to be unforgettable is to develop a signature scent, a fragrance that becomes part of your identity. Think of it like an olfactory business card. When you consistently wear a specific scent, people's brains start to associate you with that smell. Over time, it becomes a shortcut in their memory. A single whiff, even years later, can bring back the emotions and moments you shared. Celebrities do this all the time. Coco Chanel's Chanel No. 5 became her legend. Elvis Presley was known for Dana English leather. In your own life, you can do the same. Whether it's a high-end perfume, an essential oil blend, or even the natural scent of a product you always use. Not all scents are equal when it comes to making people remember you. You want something distinct but pleasant, something that reflects your personality. Here are some psychology-backed tips. Warm and comforting, vanilla, amber, tonka bean. Create feelings of safety and trust. Fresh and energetic, citrus, mint, green tea, linked with alertness and positivity. Elegant and mysterious, oud, sandalwood, patchouli, tied to luxury, depth, and intrigue. Romantic and inviting, rose, jasmine, ylang ylang, associated with intimacy and attraction. Stay away from overly common fragrances. If everyone smells like it, you won't stand out. Instead, layer fragrances or mix notes for something uniquely yours. This is where it gets strategic. You can intentionally anchor a scent to certain experiences so the memory becomes stronger. Psychologists call this associative learning. Your brain pairs a smell with an event or person,